to switch it up and mix different types of rice, but right now this is what I'm using. So the brand I like the most is called Tumpson. This is a brand that I mostly love, but I do use this one. It's called green rice. This one tastes just as good. So this is the most important rice to have. It's the premium, fancy, or extra fancy medium grain rice. So this is basically all you need to have good white rice. I got this container from IKEA, super cheap. It's my rice container. So I'm gonna add my medium grain rice. Usually I'll add about half a bag. This is all I had, so it's a little less than half. I'm also going to add our super premium, this is brown sweet rice. So sweet rice is basically like the sticky rice or sushi rice. I like to mix this in. So not too much, I'm adding about 2 to 3 cups of brown rice. You can, of course, adjust it to your liking. I don't like brown rice too much, but it's healthier for you, so I like to mix that in. And this is just premium sweet rice, so same thing as the brown rice, but just white. And this just makes your rice stickier. So again, 2 to 3 cups of this. Lastly, I have a tri-color blend quinoa. This is just a random brand that I grabbed. You can use any type of quinoa that you have, anything that you like. I add this for extra protein, and you guys always ask me what is in my rice, and it's quinoa. So if you can't find all the other different kinds of rice, I just recommend getting the medium grain rice with the quinoa. That's all you really need. So this will depend on how much you want in your rice. When I have this full, I'll use the whole bag, but since I don't have it full, I'm only going to use about half. So right now the container is about half, but obviously add more if you have more rice. I just ran out of my white rice, so I don't have that. But now we just mix it all up with our hands. Get your kids to do this. They love playing with rice. It's a good sensory activity. And see how pretty that looks? Now I'm going to show you how I cook my rice. Now we have our mixed rice. I'm going to show you how I cook my rice with my rice cooker. So this is my Holy Grail rice cooker. It's called Cuckoo. That's the name of the brand. This one runs about $250. It's an investment. So if you want a nice rice cooker, I definitely recommend this one. I use mine every day. So to me, it's worth it. There's cheaper ones out there though that are just as good. I will link my Amazon recommendations in my description box so you can see all the different brands that I recommend. So this one also, you can cook up to 8 cups of rice, which is a lot of rice. We have a big family, so that's why I like this big one. This also makes mixed rice, brown rice, porridge. It pressure cooks. It does a lot of things. So not only is it a great rice cooker, you can use it for other things. All right, today I'm gonna be cooking 3 cups of rice. So I just have this little measuring cup, and it just tells me how many cups I'm cooking. I'm doing 3. We're gonna take this to the sink and wash it. Rice is very dirty, so you want to rinse it really well. I wash it about 3 times. So basically you're just rubbing it in your hands letting the water run through it. So like this will be one wash. You can use a strainer if you'd like. I get lazy, so I just use my hand. So this rice water, you can save and use it for your skin. You can use it as a toner. You can put it in a little spray bottle and spray it on your hair as a hair conditioner. Rice water has a lot of great benefits. So you can save this water if you'd like. This is my third wash. You can see the water is already a lot clearer. That's when you know you're done. So to measure your water, you'll see how many cups you put in. So I put 3. And you just basically fill up the line to the 3 mark. So this is 4, right here would be 3. But the Asian way is, the way I learned how to make rice and measure the water is by putting your hand down. And it should lay right on the top of your hand. That's how my mom taught me. Some people use the finger method. I kind of don't know how to do that one, but so I usually just let it hit my hand right here. Should be perfect, which is about like number 3. So just use the measurements on the pot, or just use your hand. It's the authentic way. The best part about this rice cooker is that it has a turbo mode. So if I'm super hungry and I want rice, it cooks it in 15 minutes. And usually a regular rice cooker, it takes about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna put it into the turbo mode. And it speaks to me in Korean, it's perfect. And we just wait now. Okay, our rice is done. We're gonna open it up. And what a lot of Koreans do is we like to stir it and mix it around. We do this because it makes the rice fluffier, it makes it more evenly cooked. So I'm gonna close this back up and let this sit for another 5 minutes. And then after that, it'll be perfect. Our rice is done. Smells so good. We have our glorious rice. Let's try it. I'm just gonna eat some off my rice paddle. It's chewy. I love all the different textures the different rice gives. The quinoa, the brown rice. It's so good. I hope you guys love this video. If you make my rice, please tag me so I can see. Follow me on all my socials at SullyJessica. Like this video, comment what you want me to make next, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.